Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today I'm going to do a stitch tutorial on making a granny stitch in the round. I have already made a magic circle with 6 double crochets to get started, and let's dive on in. So first, like I said, I created a magic circle or magic ring and I double crocheted into it 6 times. And then I connected to the top with a slip stitch. And now I'm going to work into the same stitch, or the chain in this case, because I counted the chain as my first double crochet. And I'm just going to do a cluster of 3 double crochets because that's what a granny stitch is made up of. It is a cluster of 3 double crochets together. And then after you've done your 3rd double crochet in the cluster, you chain 1, and then you go into the next stitch. And you just repeat that around by doing 3 double crochets into the same stitch to make a granny stitch, which is also a cluster of 3 double crochets. And now I've reached the end, so I'm going to slip stitch to my first double crochet. And that is the first round. For round 2, you're going to chain 3 and into the same stitch you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, because that chain of 3 will count as your first double crochet. And now you're going to work into the chain spaces that you created before, and that will be the second round of granny stitches. To slip stitch to the top of my chain 3 from the previous round. And there you have it. That is how you granny stitch in the round. And as you can see, it looks pretty nice, and granny stitches are really well known to be in granny squares, but you can do anything you wish with it. Other designers have many patterns that you can use the granny stitch in, and I have one that will be coming out shortly for a summer pattern using just granny stitches in the round. So I hope this helped, and subscribe and like for more, and I'll talk to you the next time.